Is it visible or not, students? No? One second. Now, Manpreet, is it visible? Screen is visible or not, students? Please reply me.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So, good morning, students. Welcome to Organization Behavior Online class. Today we will discuss about the leadership. Okay. So, what is leadership? Leadership is the process of encouraging and helping others to work enthusiastically towards objectives. Means a leadership is related to the capability of a person who work as a leader in an organization to motivate to take work from their team. Okay, and why? To achieve some objectives. It is the behavior of an individual when he is directing the activities of a group towards a shared goal. So for a leadership, it is very important to having a group, because in the absence of group, leadership is not possible. And leadership is a you can say the capability of a person who is a leader, who lead his group to achieve a common goal, and this goal is basically related to the organizational welfare. Okay, and it is a relationship in which one person influences others to work together willingly on related tasks to attain goals desired by the leader and or group. So we can say that leadership is a ability of a person who is a leader of a group, and as a person, as a leader, uh, it's work his work is related to the task to uh, attain the goal of the organization. Okay, and we can say leadership is the process of influencing a group to be accomplishment of the goals. So leadership is a process. Why it is a process? Because it हम ये कह सकते हैं कि लीडरशिप के बारे में स्टूडेंट्स की लीडरशिप एक स्टेप बाय स्टेप चलने वाला प्रोसेस है, बिकॉज इसमें नंबर ऑफ पीपल्स इन्वॉल्व होते हैं, ग्रुप होता है, एंड एज अ लीडर इट इज द रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी ऑफ अ लीडर टू गेट वर्क फ्रॉम ईच एंड एवरी इंडिविजुअल और ईच एंड एवरी ग्रुप members to achieve the common goal. Okay, that's why it is a process. And it is the ability of a reader to induce subordinate to work with confidence and zeal, changes potential into reality. Okay, so it is you can say it is an art of the leader to take work from his subordinate of the group. Okay, so it is a it can be take as a art of a leader. The leadership can be like an art of a leader. How to take work, how to take work from his subordinate to achieve the common goal. And what is the common goal? Common goal is to the development of the organization. Okay, so here the good relationship is very important among the subordinate of the group and with the leader, because in the absence of good relationship, the goal is not possible, the achievement of the goal is not possible. So this is the theory, or we can say definition of leadership. But leadership, as I told you, that leadership is the art of an individual person, of a leader. So leadership, how to do the leadership, how to take the work from the subordinate is different from leader to leader. Means because of the behavior of the leader, because of the perception of the leader. So leadership हम एक वर्ड में नहीं डिफाइन कर सकते यार, हम ये नहीं कह सकते, we can't say कि leadership is the same quality के साथ नहीं होगा, it will be different from individual to individual, or we can say from leader to leader, right? Now, as per the some authors, there are some definition for the leaders, and especially for the leadership. And according to the Livingston, he said that leadership is the ability to awaken in others they desire to allow a common objective. What is a common objective? Common objective is the development of the organization for which the leader and the group is working. So we can say the leadership is the ability. to awaken others means how to take work from others. Others who means the group members. Okay, so leadership is a quality, or leadership is an art, or leadership is the ability to take work from the other group members to achieve the common goals that is related to the organization welfare. Okay, and there is another definition of author that who is Terry. Terry is an economist, and he gave the definition of leadership, and he said that leadership, the ability of influencing people. How to influence people? By the motivation, by the good rewards, because the group members. I hope, student, you remember when we learn about the group. ओके हमने एक टॉपिक पढ़ा था जिसमें ग्रुप के बारे में हमने डिस्कशन किया था, जिसमें इट इज़ वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट फॉर द ग्रुप लीडर टू मोटिवेट, टू कीप मोटिवेटिंग द ग्रुप मेंबर्स. ओके, कीप मोटिवेटिंग. हाउ टू डू द कीप मोटिवेशन? मोटिवेशन कैसे होगा? For the rewards, for the promotion, with the salary hike. Okay, so we can say that according to Terry, that leadership is the ability of influencing people to strive willingly to for mutual objective, because in group there is no individual objective, no individual choice, no individual goal. There is a mutual goal, mutual choices. Okay, and as a leader it is your ability to influence people to uh, complete the goal on time, or to complete the objectives on time. Okay, so this is the definition of Terry about the leadership. Now there is another, there are some another research scholars who gave the definition of leadership, that is Alford and Beatty. He said that leadership is the ability to secure desirable actions from a group of followers voluntarily without the use of force. So we can say that the leadership is the ability to secure desirable actions. What actions? The actions for achieving the common objective, the actions to achieving the common goal. Okay, so it is up to leaders how to we can say how to secure desirable actions, how to motivate people, and how to get work from them to achieve the goal. Okay, so this is some definition. On that basis of this definition, we can say that the leadership can be like a ability to awaken in others the desire to follow a common objective. So for leadership, for a leader, it is very important to having a common objective. And for common objective, it is very important for a leader to have a group. Okay, because in the absence of group, leadership is not possible, and because in the absence of a leader, obviously leadership is not possible. So why leadership is important? Why leader we require leadership, or we can, or in other word we can say, what is the importance of leadership, how leadership works, right? So first importance of leadership is to setting the goal, because in the absence of goal leadership is not possible. ग्रुप करेगा क्या? गोल ही नहीं होगा तो, right? So it is very important for a group for having a goal, and where it is very important for a leadership to set a goal. Okay, so setting a goal means leader provide guidance to the group by setting goals to his subordinate. He act as a guide of his followers by setting objectives of the group. Okay, so it is a responsibility of the leader to set the goal for the group, because as a leader he knew about the ability, the strength, the weakness of each group members, right? So according to the strength, so according to the we can say the capabilities, according to the advantages, leaders set the goal for the group. Okay, so we can say that it is the art of leadership to set a goal according to the capability of the group. Okay, हम कोई tough task अगर group को दे देते हैं, suppose that if I am a leader and I'm having a group of individuals under 25 एज ग्रुप. ओके, एंड अगर मैं उनको ऐसा गोल देती हूँ जो एक्सपीरियंस्ड एम्प्लॉयज़ के लिए चाहिए होता है, तो क्या वो गोल कंप्लीट कर पाएंगे? नो. So as a leader it is important for me to identify the capabilities and strength and weakness of group before setting up a goal. Okay, so we can say that the importance of leadership comes from the setting of goal. The second importance of leadership is develop team spirit. So it is very important for a leader to time encourage their group members. Okay, because of the absence of the encouragement, because of the absent of the positive environment, what will happen? the group members will their work will become zero. उनका जो enthusiastic level होगा, जो उनका energy level होगा, वो zero हो जाएगा. Okay, so a leader develops a sense of collectivism in the employee to work as a team, right? And individuals within the group may be shown varied interests and multiple goals. A leader has to reconcile their conflicting goals and restore equilibrium. So if there is any conflict among the group members, so it is the responsibility of the leader to हमको उस conflict को खत्म करना है, and to motivate the group members time. The third importance is the representation. What is representation? A leader represents the group to his superiors. A good leader is the guardian of the interest of the subordinate, and he is the personal embodiment of the impersonal organization inside and outside the organization. So we can say that leader is a representative of his group. Okay, leader represent his group in the front of the organization, or in the front of the outside the organization. Okay, so what kind of group is to be good for a leader is a choice of the leader. मतलब लीडर को चॉइस करना है कि उसको किस तरह के ग्रुप क्रिएट करना है अकॉर्डिंग टू द टास्क, अकॉर्डिंग टू द goal. Okay, the next importance is motivation. Obviously motivation is very important, and and from where motivation come to the group, it's come through the leader. Okay, so a leader provide to be playing an incentive role in the concerned working. Motivation can be in any form. It can be in the form of a positive environment, it can be in the form of increment, or it can be in the form of identification of group members. Okay, so I hope you remember in the group topic we discussed that the identification of group members is very important. Why identification? Because if uh, if group member, if one of the group member is working very hardly, is working very positively, and he is always ready to work for the group. Okay, he is always ready to give contribution to the group for the achievement of the common goal. So it is very important for a leader to identify that group member, and how they will he will identify that group member by rewarding him. Okay, and by rewarding him, reward will play a motivation role for that individual group member and for the other group members also. Okay, हम rewards के through जो है वो group members को motivate कर सकते हैं for their good work. Okay, so he motivate the employee with economic and non-economic rewards. Economic and non-economic means economic means related to the money, and non-economic means like आप उनको किसी टास्क को कंप्लीट करने पे आप रिवॉर्ड करते हैं जो नॉन इकोनॉमिक, ठीक है. एंड आप उसको इकोनॉमिक टर्म में अगर लेना चाहें तो सैलरी हाइक कर सकते हैं या उनको प्रमोशंस कर सकते हैं, राइट. एंड देयर बाय गेट्स द वर्क फ्रॉम द सबऑर्डिनेट. So this is how leader takes work from the group members through the motivation. Next importance is providing guidance. Okay, because leader is a person who ऐसा person होता है who having the experience regarding the work. उसको experience होता है, that's why he is leader ना. So it is it is for the leader to give guidance to the group members to how to do work, how to achieve the objectives, how to achieve the goals, how to work. Okay, how to create a good relationship between other group members. So it is very important for the leader to give guidance to the group members. And how he will guide his group members? He will supervise, but also play a guiding role. Like guiding her means instructing the subordinate the way they have to perform their work effectively and efficiently. Okay, he can guide how to do the work on time. He can guide them through the different methods to achieve the goals, to achieve the objectives. Okay, so guidance is come from the leader, and leader gives the guidance to his group member because of his experience. Okay, on basis of his experience. Next importance of leadership is coordination. Coordination, again, coordination among the group member between the subordinate and leader is very important. Because coordination, because of absence of coordination, the group cannot achieve the goal. Group अपने goals को achieve नहीं कर पाएगा. So how to create a coordination? Coordination means timely communication, identification. Okay, identification of group members. There should be a clear communication between the leader and subordinate. There should be a relationship that subordinate easily tell to their leaders about their problems, about their issues. Okay, so coordination can be achieved through reconciling personal interests with organization goals. Okay, this system synchronization can be achieved through proper and effective coordination, which should be primary motive of a leader. So why primary leader of a motive of the leader? Because coordination is very important between the leader and subordinate. Because in the absence of the coordination between the group leader and the member and the other group member, the uh, the actual work of the group, the purpose behind the setting of the group cannot be achieved, and that is the common goal of the organization. Okay, so this is about the importance of leadership. So we can say that the first one is the developing the team spirit, second is the representation, third is the motivation, and the fourth is providing guidance, and the last one is coordination. So these all we can say these all points play a important role for a leader to create a good leadership among the group members. Okay, positive leadership. And now the next topic is related to the nature or characteristics of features of leadership. Okay, so on the basis of these nature, characteristics and feature of leadership, a leader is built up. Okay, एक leader build up होता है. How? कैसे? First, one who lead is a part of the group and yet the must maintain his separate identity if he is to continue to lead. Okay, so as a leader, if I am a leader of a group, मेरा एक अपना individual एक जो है वो identity है, right? So if I want to be a leader, if I want to lead a group, so I need to have a, a separate identity. Okay, why separate identity? Because now I'm going to lead a group. So first and the most important thing is that the leader, for leading a group, for the leadership, he should have a uh, separate identity, right? And leadership is a dynamic and ever evolving process. A manager must lead continuously. So because leadership is a continuous process, and so for this leader must lead continuously. उसे continuously lead करना होगा. Why? Because अगर वो कहीं रुकता है तो उसका ग्रुप रुक जाएगा, right? तो वो कैसे continuously lead करेगा? With the proper resources, with the proper communication, with the proper coordination, with the proper motivation, with the proper guidance to the group members. Okay, that's why leadership is a continuous process, and a manager or a leader must be involved or must to lead the group continuously. Okay, leadership is exercise in a particular situation. The situation variable affect the effectiveness of leadership. Okay, so particular situation means if ऑर्गेनाइजेशन अगर सपोज करिए एक ऐसी सिचुएशन दी जाती है एक लीडर को जो ऑन स्पॉट सिचुएशन क्रिएट हुई. सपोज दैट कि ऑर्गेनाइजेशन में कुछ ग्रुप अदर ग्रुप्स जो थे वो अदर ग्रुप मेंबर्स ने जो थे वो किसी तरीके के टॉपिक को उन्होंने सपोर्ट नहीं किया एंड उन्होंने स्ट्राइक स्टार्ट कर दी. ओके, तो वो जो ग्रुप के लोग थे जिन्होंने स्ट्राइक कर दी, तो एज अ लीडर ऑफ दैट ग्रुप इट्स योर रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी टू मैनेज दैट ग्रुप. आप उनको अपने ग्रुप मेंबर्स को उस टाइम पे मैनेज करना होगा कि उनके रीजंस आपको जानने पड़ेंगे कि क्या प्रॉब्लम है कि उन्होंने स्ट्राइक किया, क्या इश्यूज थे, क्या प्रॉब्लम्स थे जो वो फेस कर रहे थे, राइट? और आपको ऑन स्पॉट ही वहाँ पे जो है सोल्यूशन भी निकालना पड़ेगा. सो वी कैन से दैट लीडर इज अ कीन ऑब्जर्वर. उसको हमेशा अपनी आइज ओपन करना रखना चाहिए. उसको हमेशा एक कीन ऑब्जर्वर की तरह देखना चाहिए कि जो मेरा ग्रुप है वो किस तरीके से परफॉर्म कर रहा है. ऐसा तो नहीं है कि ग्रुप जो है वो मुझसे अगर अलग चल रहा है और मैं ग्रुप से अलग चल रहा हूँ. तो दैट्स व्हाई द रेगुलर इन्वॉल्वमेंट ऑफ अ लीडर इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. ओके, the next is leadership involve directing. Why directing? Because he directs his subordinates. Guiding. Why? Because उसका पास experience होता है, उसके पास experience है, that's why he is guide the subordinate. And influencing. Why influencing? Because of the influence, because of the positive influence, because of the positive rewards, because of the positive identification of the group members. So क्या होगा उससे? What will be the result? The group will perform. Okay, so we can say the leadership involved directing, guiding, influencing the behavior of individuals and group. so that the future action and behavior are modified in the right direction, because each and every individual of in a group are having a different nature and perception. भी हमने पहले भी इसको डिस्कस किया है बच्चों ग्रुप के टॉपिक में, जब हमने पढ़ा था, जहाँ पे इंडिविजुअल्स जो ग्रुप मेंबर्स होते हैं उनका अपना अपना बिहेवियर अलग अलग होता है, और एक ग्रुप में काम करने के लिए उनके लिए बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है कि वो सबके साथ जो है कोऑर्डिनेट करके चले। उनका परसेप्शन जो होना चाहिए वो डिफरेंट नहीं होना चाहिए, दैट शुड बी सेम। Okay, and start it is very difficult for an individual to make a to having the same perception with the other group member, but हम उनको कुछ मेथड्स को फॉलो करके उन परसेप्शन को सेम कर सकते हैं, उनको कोऑर्डिनेशन को पॉजिटिव कर सकते हैं। सो वी कैन say that leadership involves the directing, guiding and influencing the behavior of the individual person and a group, and on the basis of this guiding direction and influencing we can create the future group। हम फ्यूचर में उन चीज़ों को मॉडिफाई कर सकते हैं, राइट। लीडरशिप इन्वॉल्व द शेयरिंग ऑफ इंटरेस्ट बिटवीन द लीडर एंड हिज फॉलोअर्स। ओके, द लीडर एंड द ग्रुप वी कैन से दैट द ग्रुप शुड हैव अ कॉमन इंटरेस्ट। कॉमन इंटरेस्ट होना बहुत जरूरी है, एंड इट इज वेरी डिफिकल्ट टू क्रिएट द कॉमन इंटरेस्ट, ओके, बिकॉज ऑफ द डिफरेंट डिफरेंट बिहेवियर एंड नेचर ऑफ द ग्रुप मेंबर्स and leader। So it is the responsibility of a leader for having a positive leadership and having a common interest between him and the group members। And leadership presupposes the existence of a group of followers। So ग्रुप ऑफ फॉलोअर मीन्स लीडर का आइडेंटिफिकेशन कैसा होना चाहिए, लीडर कैसा होना चाहिए जो ग्रुप को लीड कर सके, राइट। हमारी सोसाइटी में हमने अपने देखा है, अपने अपने आसपास भी देखा होगा कि आपके आसपास ऐसे बहुत से ऐसे इंडिविजुअल पर्सन हैं जिनको आप एडमायर करते होंगे, जिनको पूरा ग्रुप एडमायर करता होगा। आप अपनी फैमिली में भी देखते होंगे कि आपकी फैमिली में कोई ऐसा मेंबर होगा जिसको आप एडमायर करते होंगे, जो आपकी पूरी फैमिली को लीड कर रहा होता है, ठीक है। एंड ऐसा लीडर वो पूरी फैमिली को क्या करता है, वो पूरी फैमिली के पर्सन को, सपोज कि आपकी फैमिली में 7 पर्सन हैं, तो 7 पर्सन को की चॉइसेस को, उनकी लाइक्स एंड डिसलाइक्स को वो उसके पास इंफॉर्मेशन होती है। एंड एज एन फैमिली आपके क्या कॉमन गोल है वो उसको भी वो आइडेंटिफाई करता है, ठीक है। आप इसका दूसरा एग्जांपल ले सकते हैं, आप अपने क्लासरूम में ले सकते हैं। आपके क्लासरूम में सीआर है, क्लास रिप्रेजेंटेटिव जो होता है वो हर क्लास मेट का, जो आपके क्लास मेंबर्स हैं उनकी इंफॉर्मेशन आपके पास रखता है। जैसे आपकी क्लास में रितिका है, तो रितिका के पास हर एक स्टूडेंट की इंफॉर्मेशन रहती है, और इंफॉर्मेशन होने के बाद वो उस रितिका का काम क्या होता है, एज अ लीडर आपकी क्लास को वो लीड करती है। एंड ऑल्सो रितिका कम्युनिकेट विथ मी एंड अदर टीचर्स अबाउट द क्लास मेंबर्स, अबाउट योर ग्रुप्स, अबाउट योर क्लास, राइट। सो इफ रितिका का यहाँ पे काम क्या होगा, एज अ लीडर रितिका के का पॉजिटिव एटीट्यूड होना बहुत ज़रूरी है टुवर्ड्स योर क्लास, टुवर्ड्स योर ईच एंड एवरी इंडिविजुअल। रितिका, कैन यू हियर मी? आर यू लिसनिंग मी, रितिका? Ritika, are you listening me? Are you in the class?
He is not joined.
He is not joined. Okay, no problem. So ऐसा सीआर, ऐसा क्लास रिप्रेजेंटेटिव आपने भी देखा होगा कि रितिका के पास आप अपने इश्यूज लेके जाते हैं, अपनी प्रॉब्लम्स लेके जाते हैं, एंड रितिका उसको कोशिश करती है, ट्राई करती है कि वो जैसे आपकी प्रॉब्लम्स को सुने और उसको सॉल्व करे। और साथ ही साथ वो आपकी अगर कोई रिक्वायरमेंट्स होती हैं आपके फैकल्टी से, आपके टीचर से, तो रितिका उनको टीचर के साथ कम्युनिकेशन भी करती है, ठीक है। So we can say that Ritika as a leader in of your group, and वो जो रितिका है वो एक गुड लीडरशिप क्वालिटीज के साथ आपकी क्लास को लीड कर रही है, राइट। सो वी कैन से दैट these are the features or characteristics of a leadership, and leadership comes from a leader। And so for a leader, it is very important for a leader to having a positive leadership towards his group, okay। And you can see here some pictures of group, okay। So as you can see, it is visible to you, to all of you, the picture is visible to all of you students, reply me, is it visible or not? Yes, visible.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so as you can see there is a group of 4 people, and there is a one person in front of you और उसने अपने हाथ फोल्ड कर रखे हुए हैं, और आप देखिए सभी ग्रुप मेंबर्स जो है स्माइल कर रहे हैं, राइट? वाई? बिकॉज ऑफ अ गुड लीडरशिप। ओके, अभी आप नेक्स्ट पिक्चर में देखिए, देयर इज अ हैंड एंड एक पर्सन है जो स्टेयर्स चढ़ता चला जा रहा है। दिस हैंड इज रिप्रेजेंटेड द लीडर ऑफ योर ग्रुप। ओके, एंड व्हाट ही इज डूइंग, ही इज सपोर्टिंग द ग्रुप मेंबर्स टू अचीव द गोल। ओके, आप आगे बढ़िए, राइट? आप यहाँ देखिए नेक्स्ट पिक्चर में आप देखिए, देयर इज अ person who is showing you a graph, and there are three other person who is sitting on the chair, and they are seeing the screen of the chart. There is a bar. Okay, and as a leader, what he is doing in this picture, he is guiding you towards the graph. He is explaining you some data. Okay, and as a group member, as a subordinate, what are these three persons are doing? They are learning from him. Learning why? Because as a leader, उसके पास experience है, he know, he उनके पास knowledge है, he know how to read this graph or read this PPT. Okay, next, see, there is another group, and there is a lady वो अभी खड़ी हुई है, आप देखिए, she is in a standing mood, and she is indicating a graph. Okay, and she is explaining that particular graph to other group members. Okay, again she is guiding you to how to achieve this graph, or how to achieve this target on time. There is a clock, there is some chairs and tables in a graph. Okay, so here in the previous picture, the leader is guiding you, and the next picture, here the leader is explaining you how to achieve the target. Okay, okay, students. So this is how the leader do the leadership, and this is how a leader motivate the group members. Okay, and if a leader एक ग्रुप का सक्सेस होना कब होगा, एक ग्रुप कैसे सक्सेस होगा? एक ग्रुप का सक्सेस होना तभी होगा जब एक लीडर जो है, जो आपको एक ऐसा लीडर मिले जो एक पॉजिटिव एटीट्यूड के साथ आपके साथ आए। ओके, आपके साथ काम करे। he should be in a he or she जो भी आप whatever the leader is, okay, उसका एक पॉजिटिव एटीट्यूड होना बहुत ज़रूरी है। लाइक he should know about the each group members behavior, nature. He should create a positive environment for the group. Okay, and leadership is not a very easy task. Okay, it's not a very easy task, but I can say that leadership is an art. एंड ये एक दिन में लीडरशिप जो होती है वो क्रिएट नहीं होती है, इट क्रिएट ऑन टाइम। ये थोड़ा टाइम लेती है। जितना टाइम एक लीडर को होता है ग्रुप को करने में, उतना ही लीडरशिप उसकी उतनी ही फॉर्म होती है, उतनी ही डेवलप होती है। ओके, सो एज अ लीडर यू आर द रिप्रेजेंटेटिव ऑफ योर ग्रुप। ओके स्टूडेंट्स, आप एज अ लीडर आप क्या हैं? आप रिप्रेजेंटेटिव हैं अपने ग्रुप के टूवर्ड्स द सीनियर्स ऑफ द ऑर्गेनाइजेशन एंड आउटसाइड द ऑर्गेनाइजेशन। ओके, सपोज डेट कि आपको एक प्रोजेक्ट मिला है जिसमें आपको न्यू कस्टमर्स को अट्रैक्ट करना है, राइट? और वो प्रोजेक्ट जो है न्यू है मार्केट में, और न्यू कस्टमर्स को आपको अट्रैक्ट करना है, तो एज अ लीडर आप अपने ग्रुप को कैसे मोटिवेट करोगे? हाउ यू मोटिवेट योर ग्रुप? यू विल मोटिवेट योर ग्रुप विद द पॉजिटिव एटीट्यूड। आप उनको ये सिखाओगे कैसे मार्केट को सर्वे करना है, कैसे न्यू कस्टमर्स को अट्रैक्ट करना है, कैसे अपने प्रोडक्ट को आइडेंटिफाई करना है, मार्केट में लेके आना है, और कस्टमर्स को उनके बेनिफिट्स के बारे में बताना है। एज अ आउटसाइडर ऑफ द ऑर्गेनाइजेशन, आप जब ऑर्गेनाइजेशन के बाहर जाओगे, यू विल एज अ लीडर यू विल रिप्रेजेंट योर ग्रुप। आप एक लीडर होगे, आप एक रिप्रेजेंटेटिव होगे। आप अपने कॉलेज में, इससे पहले आप स्कूल में थे स्टूडेंट्स, आपने देखा होगा आपके स्कूल में कई ग्रुप्स बने होंगे। एक स्पोर्ट ग्रुप्स होता है, एक आर्ट ग्रुप होता है, एक साइंस ग्रुप होता है। उस ग्रुप में एक लीडर होता है। वाई? बिकॉज ऑफ हिज एक्सपीरियंस, बिकॉज ऑफ हिज गुड नॉलेज। आप उसको रिप्रेजेंट, उसको लीडर बनाया जाता है, एंड ही रिप्रेजेंट हिज ग्रुप। ओके, सो आपको 80% मैं आपको कह सकती हूँ कि 80% आपके ग्रुप का जो सक्सेस है, डिपेंड्स अपॉन द पर्सनालिटी ऑफ द ग्रुप, इट डिपेंड्स अपॉन हाउ ही डू द लीडरशिप, द आर्ट ऑफ द लीडरशिप। ओके, आप वहीं पे 80% अपने टास्क को अचीव करोगे, राइट? सो this is all about leadership, and let's take again a quick revision of leadership. So what are the importance of leadership? The leader would develop the team spirit, and we can say if he is a representative of the group, he motivate the group towards the positive attitudes and positive rewards in the terms of economics and non-economics rewards. Okay, and he provide the guidance through his leadership, and obviously the coordination is very important. Okay, so you can say through the leadership, a leader can create coordination among the group members, right? And uh, the importance of leadership is very important because in the absence of leadership, a group cannot survive. Absence of a leader, a group cannot work. So for a leader, a good leadership is very important, and for a group, a leader is very important. A positive leadership is very important. Okay, students. So that's all for today. Thank you.